You always want to look out for motors that have been sitting for long periods of time. Rotaries or any piston motor, if it's a cast iron or aluminum block, are sustainable to corrosion, rust, erosion. So if something's been sitting for a long time, and even though it was good or it was claimed to have been good, you want to really make sure that it's going to turn over freely and not have any bind spots. Also, if there's any water that's been enclosed in that block sitting internally, that could lead to internal rust buildup. So if you're buying a JDM block or something that's been sitting for a long time, I view that more as a core. I know I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to see what I get usable out of it. If you're looking for good usable parts, you want something that's got compression, that hasn't been blown up and doesn't have any obvious signs of overheating. Motors that have been overheated, blown up, are often going to have internal damage.